Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over how the Arlo Go V1 works with modes in the new Arlo app experience. Let's get started. The Arlo Go camera operates differently from other Arlo devices after migrating to the new Arlo Secure App experience because it does not support the updated automation framework. The Arlo Go will work with only the arm and disarm options within custom modes. To change the mode for the Go camera, you will need to manually enable custom modes, change the mode for the Go camera, and change manually back to one of the other three if you are using them. If your locations mode is changed manually or by an automation to arm away, arm home, or standby, the Arlo Go will not follow those changes. Instead, it will stay on the last mode you selected, either armed or disarmed. Please note that after migration to the new app experience, any existing custom modes or schedules set up for the Go camera on the old app experience will transfer. However, you won't be able to edit them or create new custom modes or automations for this device. If you need to remove old custom modes, you'll have to uninstall and reinstall the Arlo Go on your account. Also, keep in mind that the Arlo Go will no longer follow previously set geofence rules. We hope this video helps you understand how the Arlo Go works within the new app experience. If issues continue, reach out to Arlo support. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.